project. Oh my gosh, I hope you see the walkthrough with these two folios. Do you like to make exactly the same as these two or one of these two? Then check out, because I'm going to show you what exactly is in the kit. Okay guys, when you open up your box, you will see this full sheet, and this is the cover material that I use for the spine. So I did not put it in this bag, otherwise it gets too much full. But if it's gonna be folded, then it does not matter, because you only have small pieces left. But this is outside this bag. Alright, so this is the cover, and I don't know exactly how large this is, but it's pretty large. Oh, it's 60 by 24 centimeters, so that's pretty much to use. So that is inside. And then what's in your bag? Let me unwrap this for you guys. Okay, so this is what you get. This is absolutely everything what I used to make these folios. Okay, so first of all, of course, the flower set is inside. The ribbon set is inside. Everything that I use. I even forgot to use the cotton lace, but it's inside. Of course, all the metal pieces and the magnets and the spacers that I use are inside this little bag. And that was also a little gift, because it was my birthday, and I love that it's going to be better weather, so I just went crazy and made a little gift for you guys, just because I had my birthday recently. Okay, yeah, my visiting card. Then of course the 6x6, which are included 18 sheets. Then of course the junk journal extras set. Love these ones with all the pockets. Then of course the 8x8 pack with 18 sheets, and of course just a welcome note. Don't think that all the measurements that I used on this project are be written on this sheet, because it isn't, because I am terrible at that. But just the little ones that I wrote down, I wrote on here too. But you don't need this sheet. This is just a welcome note for those who buy the kit. So yeah, that's inside. Then of course the chipboard. If you think this chipboard is too thin, please, if you like to use a thicker one, you can, but I used this one. Trust me, I used exactly the same chipboard. It's only 1 millimeter thick, and it's thick enough. It really is thick enough. As you can see, I used the same thick board. Don't think that I scam you or something for not adding a thicker chipboard, because I did use the same one. Alright, so that is inside. And of course we have 2 packs of the 12x12 packs, paper pack, which includes 6 sheets in each pack. 2, of course. So that is all you need for making exactly the same folio as I did, and I even had much left after I finished this project, so you don't have to be scared that you don't have enough to make this project, because there is plenty of papers to use for making this project exactly as I made. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, but I also have the plum and chocolate, of course. I'm going to show you too. Okay guys, exactly the same. Also the nice cover sheet, but then of course with this beautiful purple color. Love it. So vintage. I absolutely love this one. And of course the flower set, the ribbon set, a little gift is inside. The metal pieces and the magnets are inside. The 6x6, the 8x8, the junk journal extras set with all the cutouts, a welcome note, the chipboard, 1 millimeter thick, and 2 of the 12x12 packs. Okay guys, so you can choose which one do you like the best. So the plum and chocolate, or the lovely when you smile. And these papers are from Craft the Clock. Amazing papers. Loved working with them. And yeah, I'm very blessed that I could work with these, and I'm very glad that I chose each one of these, because yeah, recently I made that video and asked of you which one you like the best, but I noticed that it was so different, so yeah, 50-50 almost. So I thought, why not do both? So that's why I choose both of them. Plum and Chocolate and Lovely When You Smile from Craft Clock. The kits are available right now. Alright, so this is all that I used to make exactly the same project. The only thing that is always missing in my kits is the cardstock. The cardstock that I use for the base pages, and also the white to make the photo mats inside. That never includes the kits. So that is the only thing you need to buy, because that you need so much, and then my kits are way too heavy to send all around the world. Alright, so that is the only thing that you need to buy for yourself, and that's also a personal thing, so you can use exactly the color you like. I use the brown with a white edge underneath, but if you like to use black, or perhaps you like purple one, or you like to use a blue one, then that's totally up to you. That's personal touch, and you can do that on your own buy. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Alright, love you all. Bye bye, till next time.